Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID credentials and that two-factor authentication is reachable. This prevents lockouts. Next, make sure your device runs the latest iOS or Mac OS and reboot it to clear transient errors. Once done, sign in to Appleid. Apple.com to verify account details and trusted devices. Doing this first removes common authentication and compatibility blockers, so the subsequent iCloud fixes target service issues rather than setup mistakes. You now rebuild sync by toggling iCloud off for the problematic data types and choosing to keep a local copy when prompted. This prevents accidental data loss. Then sign out of iCloud completely from settings or system preferences, reboot the device to clear cached tokens, and sign back in with the same Apple ID. After signing in, re-enable syncing one app at a time so you can observe which dataset reintroduces issues, and let each item finish syncing before moving to the next. Finish by verifying iCloud.com to ensure server-side records match your device copies. This confirms whether the issue is local. If discrepancies persist, collect diagnostics. On Mac OS, use console logs. On iOS, use analytics logs and note timestamps for failed sync events. Once you have evidence, contact Apple support and provide the diagnostics, exact timestamps, and steps taken. This speeds resolution when a deeper server-side or account-level intervention is required. If they ask, explain the exact sequence you followed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.